English to Urdu vocabulary. Vocabulary meaning my, my, mera, mera, went, went, gya, gya, us, us, हमें, हमें, majority, majority, अक्सरियत, अक्सरियत, house, house, घर, घर, kind, kind, قسم, قسم, need, need, ज़रूरत, ज़रूरत, try, try, कोशिश, कोशिश,